Hey divas, thank you so much for joining me for this video. I'm so excited about this. As always, I'm always super excited about anything I get to come here and share with you guys. And today we are making a well-known American classic. You guys saw the title, and we're gonna be making one of America's simple, amazing, and versatile dishes, guys. This can be everyday lunch. You can pack this to take on a picnic. You can even serve it up on some good crackers and make it a really nice hors d'oeuvre at a beautiful event. However you want to treat it. But I'm just gonna show you guys how I make mine. And with no further ado, we're gonna get into this video. But before we get into the video, I do want to show you guys what we're gonna be using, and which is jackfruit, guys. We're not gonna be using a soy meat. We're gonna be using a soy-free meat for this video. Well, meat, you know what I mean by meat, a vegan meat. But we're gonna be using a soy-free meat alternative. I'm gonna show you guys how I treat this in order to make it meaty, to give it that chicken-like texture, and to make it work well in this particular American classic, guys. With no further ado, we're gonna get into it. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is strain. I've already strained this jackfruit at the sink to get all of the water that's just sitting on the surface out. And what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna put it in this bag, and we're going to go ahead and strain out what we can as far as any additional moisture that's in it. Okay, now that we've gotten that liquid out, do you see how this texture has totally changed? If you really look at it, it looks like shredded chicken. So now what we're gonna do, just gonna chop this up a little bit more, make it a little bit more fitting for this recipe. Now that I have it down to this good, beautiful chicken texture and about the size that I want it to be for my chicken salad, I'm gonna meet you guys at the stove. So here, guys, I'm gonna add in some of my seasoning mixture that I use, and this is where I blend down my vegetables. This contains onion, bell pepper, and jalapeno pepper. If you guys would like to see me do a video where I actually make this mixture, it's really good and handy when you're trying to flavor and you want the flavor of those vegetables, like the onion, the bell pepper, the jalapeno, garlic. You want the flavor of all those vegetables. But this, I love doing it this way because it, again, as I've explained in a previous video, it extracts all the flavor you're trying to get into your food out of those vegetables. And it, you know, you don't have to necessarily have all those vegetables in each and every dish that you want those particular seasonings in or flavors in. So comment below if you'd like to see me make a video where I show you guys how to make that mixture. here we go, guys. Here's our vegan chicken salad. Here it is, guys. There is our delicious vegan chicken salad sandwich. And I'm excited to now do the honors of going in. If you can find a vegan croissant, that's gonna elevate the sandwich even that much more. Absolutely love this flavor. A jackfruit gives it that chicken texture. The celery gives it that crunchiness. The mayonnaise is absolutely delicious. Sorry, guys. Thank you guys so much for joining me for another video. Guys, that ends our video here for today. And I hope you guys do try this recipe, guys. Do not let this recipe get by you. It is delicious, it is amazing. Before the video ends, please do take a moment to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and share this video with all of your friends, guys. It is a delicious recipe. You know I'm not gonna lead you wrong over here. Thank you so much for joining me. Please do look out for my next video, which is gonna drop Wednesday at 11 a.m. You can count on videos over here Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 11 a.m. every week. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. And don't forget, whatever you miss, don't miss this. Love you.